Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video, and here I got the Hilton Aspire Card. I just ordered this yesterday, literally 24 hours ago, and it was overnighted from FedEx. So let's go ahead and take it out. Beautiful cardboard box. Really. After opening that, go ahead and flip it over, and in here all we have is this. You can see my address is blurred out, but it looks pretty cool, from Hilton Honors. And so here's what the card looks like. I did cover up my numbers, but as you can see, it still looks pretty cool. It is a plastic card, so take it out. It's definitely very bendable, but still feels pretty cool. Still has chipless and all those cool features that come with that. And one thing to note, my credit score at the time when this was pulled was 750, so I'm not destroying my score by applying for a lot of cards. I also did only get a $5,000 credit limit. I have a $7,000 on my Chase Freedom, $9,000 on my Amex Gold, and a $9,000 on my Blue Business Plus. So to only have $5,000 on this is a little weird. This is now my lowest card with the lowest credit score. Not sure why, but I would never even spend that much. I would always recommend you to turn off this cash advance fee. I never see a reason to keep this on. You never ever want to use this anyway, because you're going to be paying really high interest rates anyway. So I always message Amex, tell them to turn this off. And this card does have a $450 annual fee. However, you are getting pretty good benefits for that. Okay, so now let's run through some of the benefits of having this card. You do get $250 of travel airline incidental credit. I will use this basically every year just because it's pretty easy to use if you know how to look in the right place. $250 of Hilton property credits, a free weekend night, and all three of those credits are per calendar year. So since it's closing on the end of 2020, hopefully I'll be able to use those and then use them again in 2021 before my annual fee hits again. You do get priority pass, Hilton Diamond status, 14x at Hilton properties, 7x multiplier at dining, and 3x everywhere else. And it's pretty well believed in the credit card community that Hilton points are worth around half a cent each. So that 14x is actually about 7% back, which is a pretty good deal. Not to mention, you do also get a 150,000 point sign-up bonus for holding this card and spending $4,000. I have tuition to pay for, so I know I'll be spending that amount. They don't charge for using a credit card, which is phenomenal, and it makes logical sense to open a card and put this payment on there if you know you're going to be spending it anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed this, and see you guys in the next one. Take care.